Hey you guys, this is Mrs. O with Kingdom Barbecue Catering Service and Kingdom Sweets Online. Hope everyone is enjoying their Sunday afternoon. Today again, I am winging it by myself. And I'm going to make today a smoked corn confetti. And if you can see here, I have different colors of bell peppers. I did a half of a yellow bell pepper, I did a half of a red bell pepper, and I did a half of a green bell pepper. And I just diced them real finely, and I'm sauteing them in 1 stick of butter. And I know it's really fogging up my camera, you guys. I am so sorry. Okay, and to this, I'm going to add 2 14-ounce bags of frozen corn. And I think the 2 14 ounces might be a bit much. So I'm just going to kind of see how much I'm going to need. Okay, I'm putting the corn in here. Okay. It took almost all of it. So I'm going to say about a bag and a half of the 14-ounce corn. And then we're just going to stir this. And the reason this corn is going to be so awesome, what I'm going to do, once I mix everything together, I'm going to put it on the smoker for about an hour to let this corn really get some smoke flavor to it. Okay, here's the corn here. And I've mixed it with the bell peppers and butter. It looks pretty amazing, huh? Okay, and to this, I have 1 teaspoon of Lawry's seasoned salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And I'm just going to add all of this in here. Okay, and let's stir this around. So let's just get the flavors incorporated here. You guys, I found something new that I was watching on TV today that I can't wait to make for you guys. It is really, really cool. And I'm going to do it like for a summer beverage, which I think you guys are going to, really think it rocks. Okay, and to this, we need a little sweetness. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of just white granulated sugar. So let's just put this in here. Stir this around. Okay, now you can see better since all of the steam have kind of let out. Okay, you can see the peppers, the corn. And also, you guys, I'm sorry, I did half of a small onion that I also put in here. Okay, now I'm going to do a 1/2 cup of half and half. I want it to be smoky and creamy. Okay, so let's just put this in here. And we'll stir this around. Wow, that's going to be pretty awesome. Okay, and my last ingredient is a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. I don't want it to be a cheesy corn. I just need a little cheese in it to kind of elevate it, especially when I'm smoking it. Okay, let's put the cheese in here. This is a 1/2 cup of mozzarella cheese. Okay, let's stir this around. So once I stir this up, I'm going to put it out on the smoker. I got it set for 350, and I'm going to do it for about an hour to where to have a really, really nice smoke flavor. and where the cheese will be melted. So you guys stay connected, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. Thank you. Hey you guys, this is Mrs. O back with the finished product of the smoked corn confetti. And I want you to notice the brownness around the corn. That is the actual smoke from the smoker. And I smoked it for about 2 hours. I want you guys to see this. I mean, it is so flavorful. I mean, the smoke is just really awesome. I will say this. For me, I added a stick of butter, but I would say cut the butter to half a stick. That's my personal preference. But if you love butter, by all means, do a stick of butter. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a blessed week. Please share, subscribe, and stay connected. Thank you.